Hey everybody, my name is Michael and welcome back to this channel here where everything is about digital painting. Now let's give birth to the very first brush somebody could create in Photoshop. It's a little fun project, but it's very interesting, and at that I will show you a nice portrait drawing I will make with this brush. 1 week ago I bought a new painting device. It's a little Asus ZenBook. It's a really great one. I love it so far. Maybe I will do a little review of it. After installing Photoshop, I really had to paint my first painting, and I had no internet connection at that time and not even installed the MA brushes. So I had to have a great idea, and that's the fun part. Let's create with the first possibilities of Photoshop that are really small. A very good brush for the start. The first ever created brush. It's a pencil brush. And we will see how far we can go with simply the basics. From the brush settings menu, go to the settings and choose for the hardness around 90%, and the spacing I would go around 17%. Now switch to the shape dynamics, the minimum diameter, there you can choose around 10. And for the angle jitter, use 50%. Next to the roundness, you can go this to maximum to 100%. Now we want a little texture, and the variety of textures Photoshop is giving us at the start is very small. You can choose here from the trees this funny picture, which will give us a very primitive image of some leaves. But we can use it. Next, choose multiply here for the texture mode and choose the brightness 75 and the contrast around 30. Now go to transfer and set the pen pressure and give it also a little pen pressure for the flow. The minimum here is 75, and I think we are ready to go. This is the first ever created brush in Photoshop with the most primitive tools and possibilities, but I think this one is really good. We've done a good job, and now I can't wait to paint with it. Let's go! Wow, amazing, isn't it? Such a real looking pencil brush created out of nowhere. And with a little skill you can create a portrait like this. I've created this one out of my mind. And for those of you who already know where the best brushes are coming from, I can give you a short way to have amazing pencil brushes and papers. And this pack is also free for you. I will give you the link to Gumroad to that free pencil and papers brush in the description. Very soon I'm planning to release a portrait painting course for digital painters, a very detailed one. And for those of you who can't wait, I have written a very detailed, very nice blog about how to paint the portrait painting. Go to my website and find it there in the menu. Go to blogs and find the one how to paint a digital portrait painting. It's absolutely free for you. I hope you had fun with this video here, and see you soon in other videos coming next on this channel here. Leave a comment or give a like if you want. Bye bye.